Guys, welcome back to my channel. It's SlayByCiara. So today I'm coming to you guys with a tutorial. A video that I feel like everyone always asks me for, which is how to remove crochet braids. So like when my videos surface like online or whatnot and get reposted, I always see so many people saying, who wants to take that out? That's gonna take forever to take out, all this other crazy stuff. And I'm like, stop. It's really not that hard to take out crochet braids at all. It's probably like super easy, especially since once you're done with crochet hair, you can't really salvage the hair. Like there's really nothing that you can salvage, so literally you're just cutting everything out. So I guess that's why I don't understand why it's all these crazy comments about taking stuff out is gonna be a pain and all this other stuff. And I'm like, no, you're not cutting your real hair. Like none of that is happening. So I guess I'm still gonna come on here and finally do this video for people, because I know a lot of people ask me, how do you remove a crochet braid? So if you want to see how that is done, then continue to watch this video. When people ask if they're gonna cut their real hair, I'm guessing that's for if you don't have braids underneath, because I know some people do like the braidless crochet where they literally just put their hair into a ponytail and crochet their hair into the ponytail. So I guess I can understand where that question might come from in that situation. But with regular crochet hair, you're literally not gonna cut your hair. So literally you're gonna cut as close to your knots as possible, or like as close to where your braids start as possible. So I'm gonna feel around to where I feel my braids, and I'm probably gonna cut right here because that's where I start filling all those loops that I did. So we're gonna take that and cut right there. And all that is gonna come off. Okay, so I'm gonna go around and do that into my entire head. I'm just gonna cut close to the roots for my entire head. So you should end up with something like this. I hate cutting on this side of my head because I'm right-handed. And then the back, do the same. All right, so up front, I'm gonna have to get a little closer. So I'm literally gonna go in and look to see exactly where my braid is and literally cut right along it. And any knot that I see, I'm gonna cut it. So literally, once you do that, you can literally just pull the hair out. So the key is cutting as close to your braids as possible, so you're able to cut the knots. And once you are like the loops that you made, and once you do that, the hair comes right out your guys. Like it's literally not hard to do at all. So so yeah, a mirror is helpful. That's something you're definitely gonna need, so you can really see and kind of get as close as possible as you can to those roots, so that you can literally just start pulling the hair out of your head. So that's basically what I'm gonna do for my entire head. And for the back, you can kind of like fill what you need to do. Once you know what you're doing, you can kind of just fill for it. If you do the braidless method, like where I was talking about earlier, when all your hair is in a ponytail, especially when you're working with like the middle of your head, you just want to be more careful. But usually when people do that style, they don't use as like thin of hair as what I did. They usually use the thicker crochet hair, so it's usually much easier to take out. Sometimes you don't even need to cut that hair. You can literally just unloop it. So now I'm gonna take down these two little puff balls that I have going on up here. So first what I'm gonna do is just pull out all of these bobby pins. So the top is probably gonna be more tangled together because it's, one, I spread everything out before I put it in the bun, so that's the number one reason. And two, it hasn't been touched at all. But it still shouldn't be hard to take out. So now literally all I'm gonna do is just cut the rubber band that I used, and it's out. Alright, so there you have it on how to remove crochet braids. So I told you again, like, it's super easy. Doesn't take that long at all. So I'm just gonna probably remove this one too, like just the top of my head. So I think I just did a little snip of the rubber band. Nothing crazy. You want to make sure that you're only cutting the rubber band. When detangling my hair, I'm gonna put some leave-in conditioner on my hands as I unbraid the hair. So I'll go in with some leave-in conditioner on my hands, and I'll kind of place it on the braid just to soften her up because I have a lot of jam in my hair. So that's what the leave-in conditioner is for, is to soften her up while I'm unbraiding. Okay, so I've taken out both sides of my head. So now it's time to detangle it. So I'm just gonna go on with some water. And I'm gonna spray it very good. Like, very good. Next, I'm gonna go in with regular conditioner only because I'm running really low on my leave-in conditioner. And, oops. So I'm just gonna use regular conditioner. I feel like you can use either. And I'm just going to massage the conditioner all through my hair. And I'm gonna wet my scalp too. Next, I'm gonna take my, what is this called? It's one of these brushes. I can't remember what it's called or how to pronounce it. So I start with brushing through the ends of my hair. And this process minimizes shedding that you can occur, because I know people say, oh, rubber bands damage your hair and all that crazy stuff. Which, I mean, it's not good. That's why I don't, especially when I do rubber band styles, I don't keep them in for super long. And I feel like doing this step definitely helps with the shedding and the damage that rubber bands can have. So if you look at my brush, barely anything has come out. So yeah, I just brushed through my entire head with this. Just so you guys can see. So yeah, that's what came out of the brush. This strand of hair, it's probably from maybe if I cut it with the rubber band, to be honest, because I got lazy up front. But that's all that came out of my hair, which is really nothing. Okay, you guys, so this is what came out of the other side of me detangling the hair. So yeah, that's pretty much it. Now I'm just gonna go ahead, and you would do the same thing for the back too, but taking out your braids in the back. So now I'm just gonna go ahead and wash my hair like normal, and then come back with another style for you guys. So that's pretty much it on this video. I hope you guys did find it helpful, because I know it's definitely been long awaited on how to remove crochet braids. So if you guys did, then definitely make sure you give me a big thumbs up, and make sure you guys are subscribed to my channel, and definitely make sure you turn on the notifications, because I'm not sure if YouTube it doesn't notify everyone when my videos post. So if you don't want to miss anything that I do have coming, then make sure you guys do turn on the notifications. And that's pretty much it. I want to say thank you guys so much for watching, and I'll catch you guys in my next video.